Good evening, teacher, and good evening to all of my beloved classmates. Now let me introduce myself. That my name is Vanessa Darwin, and today I'm standing here to do the presentation that talk about my dream job. My dream job is to be a teacher because I want to teach children with something new, and being teacher is really important job because teacher can make students grow and become smart, and the teacher also know the way how to show their students to be successful person in the future. And when I was young, I have always want to be a teacher because I want to teach children and inspire others to learn. I love to share my own experience, and I also enjoy reading books and helping others with the homework. That is the reason that I want to be a real teacher in one day. However, teacher work in school and talk with many students. So I want to be a kind and friendly teacher, and students can learning in my class without having stress or getting bored. When they don't understand the lesson or can't get the point, they can ask whatever they want, so I can explain again and again until they understand it. Anyway, to be a teacher, I need to study hard and go to a university. And I also need to learn the way how to be patient, and learn the way how to be how to speak clearly. Because being a teacher is not just a job, but it is being a teacher is not just a job, but as we all know, teacher is such as a valuable career choice and the best education for all of the students, so they can trying to improve their own selves. Finally, thank you teacher, and thank you everyone for kind attention and listen to me.